Hi everyone, this is Sam from keepblogging.net. Today I'd like to show you a simple way to install a WordPress blog within your computer using it as local host. This is a great way for beginners to approach blogging, and for those who already have a blog, it will be pretty useful too because you can use it to tweak your blog without risking it. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is to download the program that will turn your computer onto a server. This program is called XAMPP. So we head to Google and type XAMPP and click on the first result. Once there, we will see several options such as XAMPP for Windows, for Mac, depending on what you are currently using. I'm using Windows now, so I click on XAMPP for Windows, scroll a bit and click on the first XAMPP download link and click again on the first link. Okay, we'll see now a message telling that your XAMPP download will start shortly, so we only need to download this file. Okay, so now that we have finished with the installation process, let's start the XAMPP by clicking on XAMPP control panel icon. On this tutorial, we will concentrate on the first two options. The first one will turn our computer onto a server, and the second one will allow us to create our database. So we'll start both applications. Okay, now that we have both applications running, it's time to open our browser and type http://127.0.0.1. Okay, we are now in front of the XAMPP application page. We must click on phpMyAdmin link to create our database. Once here, we head to database and we enter a name for our database. I will name it Keep Blogging and hit create. That's it. Database Keep Blogging has been created. We now have our WordPress database created and we only need to edit its privileges. So we click on it and add a new user. Username, name is Sam. Any host, we leave it this way. Type a password, retype it again, and we make sure that we check all to check all privileges, and we hit go. Okay, we have now our database with our info. Okay, so now that we have downloaded the WordPress platform, it's time to make some fun and install our blog. But first, we need to open the WordPress folder and edit a simple PHP file. Don't be afraid, because this is actually pretty simple. You need to find the WordPress config sample.php and open it using the notepad. You will see three pretty important lines that needs to be modified with the information we said before when using the phpMyAdmin, with entering the database name, the database username, and the database password. As an example, I choose Keep Blogging as my database name, Sam as my database username, and the database password. Once we have modified the information, we need to rename this file and save it as the WordPress config.php, removing the sample part. Okay, so now that we have saved this file, we close our notepad. We're almost done, and we need to copy the WordPress folder within the XAMPP folder and htdocs folder. So we copied it right here. This is mostly done because XAMPP needs to take WordPress as an application, and there's no other way to do it rather than this. So we copied it here. Okay, so now that it's copied, we open a browser and type on the address bar http slash slash localhost slash wordpress slash, there's a little mistake here, okay, slash wordpress admin slash install dot php. We hit enter and voila, we are in front of the WordPress installation process. We only need to enter the blog title, our name in testing, and our email. It doesn't need to be your real email, but you can enter it anyway. Okay, and install WordPress. Success! Voila! WordPress has been installed, and we now get our username information and our password. We can now log in, entering admin and the password, which was okay. So we log in, and that's it. We are ready to make some posts, start tweaking around, just another WordPress weblog. That's it. You can start tweaking whatever you want. I hope you have some fun, and thanks for watching.